Alright, look, I shuffle these cards and now spectator take 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really crazy because it's really no force. You take 4 random cards. It's really amazing. Look, 5 of spades, 3 of hearts, 2 of spades, 9 of clubs. You take really 4 random cards. I show you these 4 cards and maybe turn over 9 of clubs. Why not? And now I show you this trick, maybe turn over face up 9 of clubs and 3 cards turn over face down. Now snap my finger and 9 of clubs turn over face down. And now I turn over this pile and 9 of clubs turn over face up. It's really amazing because turn over 1, 2 and 9 of clubs change ace of hearts. It's really amazing because I turn over this pile 1, 2 and 3. Snap my finger and ace of spades turn over face down. Now snap my finger 1, 2, 3, ace of spades turn over face up. And 3 random cards. Now snap my finger, of course, this ace, ace and this ace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really easy to do card trick. It's really foundation education card magic. It's really easy to do. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, remember this 9 of clubs and look my classic pass. So subscribe to my channel, like in this video, share this video right now, maybe your friend magician, why not? And now take your deck and teach this really easy to do card trick. Let's learn. Alright, for this trick you make a little setup. You take 4 ace and 1 ace, ace of spades, putting her face up like this. And 3 ace, putting her like this. The next step you make any full shuffle. It's really easy. You take this pile, make a really shuffle, and now this pile drop it like this. Of course you control it your setup. I repeat, take this pile, make a really shuffle, and this pile drop it like this. Right. The next step, spectator stop anytime, maybe here. And now you take 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this pile drop it like this. Next step, you take these 4 cards, turn over, show it these 4 cards, and now your left hand count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a break and save it your break. It's really easy. Take these 4 cards, turn over, show it, and count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a break. Right. Show it 4 cards, turn over, and squeeze your break and take pile 8 cards. Right. You take 4 random cards and 4 ace, because you take your break pile. And show it this 4 random cards. This is 2 of diamonds, turn over, king of diamonds, turn over, 8 of hearts, turn over, and now this pile, these 5 cards, drop it like this and take 1 card, 8 of diamonds, turn over like this. Next step, you count 5 cards and take these 5 cards like this. You take 1 random cards and 4 ace. Look, use this finger, count 5 cards and take this pile like this. And this deck putting her like this. Alright. And next step, you make a display and show it 4 cards like this. Of course, this is 2 cards. You show it 4 cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. It's really true. And now you turn over 1 card. This is 8 of diamonds. Take this 8 of diamonds and drop it like this. And next step, take these 3 cards. Alright, take these 2 cards and drop it like this. And show it 1 card face up. And next step, you squeeze this pile, snap your finger, and now you make empty count. You take 1 card, take block 3 cards, 1, 1. And next step, you spin this pile, snap your finger, now you repeat empty count, take 1 card, block 3 cards, 1, 1. And now you make show it 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, this is 2 cards, look, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now your left hand takes these cards, your right hand takes these cards. And switch these 2 cards, right? Look, show it 4 cards, make a switch, and these cards deal 1 by 1. 1, 2, and squeeze. And now you spin this pile, snap your finger, and now you make a repeat empty count. Yes! Look, you take 1 card, block 3 cards, 1, 1. And show it this ace of spades. And now use this finger, count 2 cards. Look, 1, 2, make a break. And now your right hand takes these cards, right? Look, these 2 cards, you take these cards and take these cards like this. And deal 1 by 1, 1, 2. The next step, you spin this pile, snap your finger, now you repeatedly count, you take 1 card, block 1, 1, and now you show this ace of spades face up, you take this pile with right hand, take 1 card, 1 card, 1 card, show it ace of spades, of course this is 2 cards, alright, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is two cards, take these 2 cards, drop it like this is 2 cards, alright. Take 2 cards, drop it like this, drop it, snap your finger, and production for ace. It's really easy to do. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.